Hey family, this is Reginald Kuwakaru. Wanted to talk to you quickly about an idea that we've been taught in religion that's just not true. Okay? The idea of hell and eternal damnation. Did you know that the idea of hell was never biblical? That's right. The versions that we've gotten translated into English actually mistranslated two words, one for the Old Testament, Sheol, and the other word, Hades, for the New Testament. Neither one of them meant an actual lake of fire or eternal damnation. It actually meant underworld, which from the Kemetic perspective is actually where the soul who descends from the heavens down into the underworld, which is earth. When you incarnate as a soul into the underworld, you're on earth. So the eternal damnation never existed. Think about how much fear and anxiety that produced in so many of our lives. Just the thought that if we did something wrong, we could burn in hell for eternity. Man, that's a terrible thing. Have a great day, family.